Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change server in KingShot. Changing servers in KingShot is simple once you've unlocked a feature. First, tap your governor profile found in the top left corner of your screen. From there, head to the bottom right and open your settings. Inside, tap on characters. Here you'll find all the available kingdoms. Each kingdom represents a different server. For example, Kingdom 250 is the same as server 250. If you want to switch to another, like server 68, just select Kingdom 68 and confirm. Remember, progress and characters don't carry over between kingdoms, so every server is its own fresh start. You can even create multiple characters to experience different kingdoms or playstyles. Explore various servers, meet new alliances, and find the one that best fits your strategy. And that's how you can change servers in KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.